everyone, my name is Cassandra Joy Corleta. Welcome to Tech and Us, the podcast where we talk about how science and technology connect with our daily lives.
Hey there, I'm Ruela Doncil, and I'm here with Cassandra. Today, we're talking about a big issue in the Philippines. How we don't invest enough in science, technology, and innovation, or what we call STI.
That's right, Wella. Even though Filipinos are smart and creative, we will struggle with building new ideas and using science to solve our problems. We don't have enough money or support for research and new innovations.
And that's a problem, especially when we look at the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. There are goals set by the United Nations to help countries fight poverty, protect the planet, and make life better for everyone.
Exactly. STI is super important to reach these goals. Let's take a few examples. For SGD 4, quality education, we need better tech to help students learn. For SDG 9, innovation and infrastructure, we need more local research and inventions. And for SDG 13, climate actions, science help us understand and respond to typhoons, floods, and climate change.
But there's the thing. Without strong support for science and tech, we're missing out on all of that. We saw this during Typhoon Yolanda. If we had better technology and systems, we could warn more people and save more lives.
That's why, in our early school project, we came up with a simple idea, a plan to improve STI in the country. We called it the National STI Acceleration and Equity Act. Sounds big, but don't worry, we'll break it down.
It has three main parts. First, more funding for science. The government should spend more money on research, at least 1.5% of the country's budget by 2030. Right now, it's way too low.
Second, innovation hubs. These are placed in different regions, not just in Manila, where people can work on science and tech projects, especially those that help with farming, health, and local needs.
And third, better STI education. We want school to teach more hands-on science, critical thinking, and problem solving from a young age. This helps students become future scientists and inventors.
This plan is not just about labs and computers, it's about people. When we support STI, we give farmers better tools, students more chance to learn, and communities smarter ways to stay safe.
And here's something important. Technology and society affect each other. What we create with technology depends on what we value. And once we use it, it changes how we live, work, and even think.
For example, mobile apps help small business grow. But if only some people have internet access, others get left behind. So we have to make sure technology is fair and helpful for everyone.
That's why we think STI isn't just about machines. It's about fairness. It's about making life better for all Filipinos, not just the rich or those in the city.
So here's our big question. What kind of future do we want to build? Do we want to keep falling behind? Or do we want to use science and technology to solve our problem and create a better life?
We believe that with the right support, the Philippines can be a place of innovation, hope, and progress. And that starts with believing in the power of STI and the people behind it.
Thanks for joining us today on Tech and Us. Remember, the future doesn't just happen. It's something we build together.
See you next time and keep asking, how can we use science and tech to make our world better.